We have basically a southeasterly flow, and this will be the flow for the next several days. Large area of higher pressure out in the Atlantic, the rotation around it, southeasterly winds. This is going to pump in a lot of tropical moisture, which will bring us elevated rainfall chances over the next few days, right on into Wednesday. But at least with the winds coming in off of the Atlantic, temperatures will be in the upper 80s today, but with the humidity, it will feel like the lower 90s at some time today. Otherwise, your Father's Day forecast during the morning hours, generally dry, just a couple of isolated rain showers here or there, but by the time we get to lunchtime and into the afternoon hours, showers and storms will certainly start to build on up. Here's Vipercast as we head towards around 10 a.m. You can see a couple of showers popping on up right there into Palm Beach County and into Okeechobee County as well. By 2 p.m. they're a bit more numerous. Some of the rain could be locally heavy. As we head towards 5 p.m. most of the heavy downpours are on the western side of the lake, but we still have some showers here or there with some moisture offshore. And then as we head into the nighttime hours around 11, you can still see a couple of showers coming in off of the Atlantic on those southeasterly winds. So for today, daytime highs middle and the upper 80s, which is average for this time of year. Then overnight tonight, temperatures once again warm and muggy in the 70s. There's the extended forecast. Do expect a good chance of rain right on through Wednesday. And then as we head towards the end of the week, drier air moves in. Rain chances dropping big time, but look at those temperatures, certainly warming on up.